Hey everybody, what's boppin'? This is Peyton. And I've got two robots to unbox. I'm going to do one and then I'm going to do the next one in the next video. So the first one is my sister's. It's not a very good one. You know, it's not one that I'm going to really enjoy, but I'm doing it because it's a Zoomer robot. This is the Zoomer Hungry Bunny. I had to redo this a few times. This is my third time redoing it. So I already got the main box, the outside piece out, and the usual spinmaster. I mean, other companies do it too, but it seems like spinmaster does it the most. They've got their the lock things on the bottom, so I undid that. So I'm just going to finish popping it open and put some batteries in, test it out, and then I will give it to her. She's real excited. I've been getting her into robots and stuff too, so she's excited to have her first robot. So really the only thing left to do is get these 50,000 pieces of tape off and get its neck unstrapped from this plastic. Oh gosh. And it's all gonna go in the trash anyway, so I'm going to stick that to the box. And I'm going to readjust my phone. So after that, oh, there's one more. You know what? I'm just gonna make a trash pile over here. Stick that to the box. So now, oh, that is a huge piece of plastic. Oh, more tape? Come on. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, never mind. It's coming right off. So now I should just be able to pull it out. And that plastic is just gonna hang from the box. But at least there wasn't too much trash out of that one. Okay, get some batteries. I'm not at home right now, so I don't have my usual stuff. Oh, okay, it's that. All right. Got that stupid song stuck in my head now. Okay. My grandpa gave me some stuff to use, so we're going to there we go. Is this one of those where the batteries stand up? I hope not. Battery cover seems very large, so let's hope. Oh good, they lay flat in there. I remember telling my grandma one time, there's only a few things in this world that I hate. Battery compartments where the batteries stand up, and automatic numbering in Microsoft Word. Because it messes with screen readers and I don't like it. Alright, so 3 double A's. Had some in a bag from my grandma. Let's get those in. All right, batteries are in. I'm gonna screw it on. Okay, so there is, oh, I'm gonna leave that out. Okay, so that's good. Batteries are in. So now we're going to do the first test, and then I will give it to her for her to play with after the video. So here we go. Let's see how this thing works. Move the phone up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Oh. Oh, all right. Apparently, yeah, it has a touch sensor on the head. It's got a sensor on the belly. All right. So it seems like it works. I don't really know exactly how to work it. All right. And then apparently there's supposed to be food for the thing in here. So let's get that out real quick. I'll open this. I already pulled it out. It was in the very bottom of the box. This is the plastic bag with the instructions and stuff like that in it. So that must be instructions. Is that the food thing? It must be. What? This? Oh, okay. All right, well, I don't know what the rest of that is, so we're just going to, all right. And that's pretty much it. The unboxing of the second robot will be coming right after this. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this thing isn't as weird as I think it is.